In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro Ai. First, open Miro and either open an existing board or create a new one. Miro AI works right on the canvas, so it helps to have a clear space where the results can appear and be easy to work with. To find the AI tool, you have three simple options. The most visible is the AI or Miro AI button with a sparkle icon, typically on the top toolbar or along the left panel. Click it to open the AI panel. Another quick path is to right-click anywhere on the board and choose Ask AI, which is handy when you're already focused on a specific area of the canvas. And for a fast keyboard approach, press the slash key to bring up the command bar, then immediately type what you want, something like create flowchart, and the AI will take it from there. The exact placement of the button can vary by layout, so just look for the sparkle icon or the Ask AI option. Now, give a prompt. Type a clear instruction describing what you want Miro AI to do. For example, you might say, create a client lifecycle for a social media agency, or generate content ideas for TikTok about insurance. If you already have notes on the board, try turn these notes into a flowchart. You can even request, summarize this board. Be specific for better results. Mention the goal, the audience, the level of detail, or any constraints that matter to you. Next, choose the output format that fits your task. Miro AI can generate sticky notes for rapid brainstorming, mind maps for hierarchical ideas, flowcharts for processes and decisions, tables for organized comparisons, and summaries for quick overviews. Pick the format that matches how you plan to use the result so it drops onto the board in a shape that's immediately useful. When you're ready, click Generate and give it a moment to compose. Review the draft that appears. If it aligns with your intent, click Insert to Board. The content will land as editable Miro objects, so you can move items, rename nodes, change colors, connect shapes, and reorganize anything as needed. If something looks off, tweak your prompt and generate again before inserting. Finally, refine with follow-ups. You don't need to start over. Ask again in the same panel to iterate. Try simple directives like make it simpler, add more steps, or focus on onboarding only. Short, direct follow-ups help the AI course correct quickly while keeping everything on your board clean and consistent. And that's it! With a clear prompt, the right format, a quick review, and a couple of follow-ups, Miro AI becomes a fast collaborator for brainstorming, mapping, and summarizing directly on your board.